Proud is the word that comes to mind.
Great job, Nancy.
Barod?
Yeah, barod.
You're representing, your country and all the athletes who've performed before you. You're potentially inspiring the ones who are going to perform after you.
O fan hyn?
Yeah.
Mae'n really bwysig fel ni fel chwaraewyr pêl-rwyd i dangos y siampl i pobl ifanc, merched ifanc yn enwedig.
10 punt os mae hi'n cael e mewn.
We're all really, really close off the court as well as on the court, which does make us feel like we're just kind of one big sisterhood.
Mae'r gemau gyda mamlad yn enfawr, so ti'n methu really ail-greu y teimlad o wneud e gyda ffrindiau fi. Fi yw enillwr.
Yeah, hold them.
When you stand alongside athletes from other sports, it really reminds you that you are not only representing your sport and each other, but the nation.
Mae rhaid i ni really mynd amdani ar y wythnos.
Taro nhw ble mae'n brifo.
Yeah.
Rhaid i ni ennill.
Yeah.
We're not just representing Welsh netball, we're representing Team Wales. That's even more exciting. It comes with even more responsibility to know that the whole nation is behind us.
4, 5, good.
Am y pobl sydd yn gwybod llawer am Cymru, dyn ni'n gwlad bach iawn ond gyda calon enfawr.